Hello students, today we shall solve about the examples of second degree parabola or second degree equation. So here first example, fit a second degree parabola of the type y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c to the following data. They have been given x as well as y values. By using these two x and y values, we have to find out the values of a, b, c and substitute in the given equation, that is y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Now this is our given equation of a parabola or second degree curve, we can say it is, that is y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c form. This is the first form of the equation itself. Now normal equation of this parabola we have in there, that is sum of y is equal to a into sum of x square plus b into sum of x plus n into c. This n is nothing but number of elements are present in x as well as y. That number we can say that is n itself. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are there, including 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 elements, so we will get here n as a 5 itself. Second normal form of the equation is summation of xy is equal to a into sum of x cube plus b into sum of x square plus c into sum of x. And third equation we have in there, sum of x square y is equal to a into sum of x to the power 4 plus b into sum of x cube plus c into sum of x square. Now we have to find out the values of sum of x square, sum of x, sum of y, sum of xy, x cube as well as x to the power 4 sum of and sum of x square y. By using the table itself, you know the values of x as well as y. Add these all the values of x, we get sum of x. Add all the values of y, we get sum of y. Next we require x square, means make a square of all the element of x, that is 0 square 0, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. And again we have to make a sum, so we get sum of these all the element of x square, we get summation of x square, that is 30 itself. Similarly make x to the power cube, we get these elements, 0 cube 0, 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube that is 64. Again we have to add these all the values, we get sum of x cube, that is 100 itself. In the same way we require x to the power 4 also. So make again x values are in terms of a power 4. 0 raised to 4 is 0, 1 raised to 4 is 1, 2 raised to 4 is 16, 3 raised to 4 is 81 and 4 raised to 4 is 256. Again we have to add all the elements of x to the power 4. We get sum of x to the power 4 itself, that is 354. Similarly we want xy, so multiply x into y, we get xy elements. Again we have to add all the elements of xy, we will get sum of xy, that is 21.6 itself. Again we require the value is third equation, that is x square y. So our x square is there, y is there, multiply x square into y, that is 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 1.18, 1.8. Similarly we will get the remaining values also. Again we have to add these all the values, we will get sum of x square y. Now we get the result of what? Sum of x, sum of y, sum of x square, sum of x cube, sum of x to the power 4, sum of xy and sum of x square y. Now we shall substitute these values to the given normal equations itself, given normal form of the equation. So we get the equations are in the form of 8.9 is equal to a into 30 plus b into 10 plus c into 5. That is first equation. Substitute the values of sum of xy, that is 21.6. A as it is, sum of x cube is 100. B as it is, sum of x square is 30. C as it is, sum of x is 10. Third equation we have in there, that is sum of x square y is 66.3. A as it is, sum of x to the power 4, we have in there 354. B as it is, sum of x cube is 100. C into sum of x square is 30 itself. Now we got these three equations. We have to solve these three equations. First we have to take first equation as well as second equation by applying the operation on equation 1 as well as equation 2. We will get the values of either AB or AC or BC, isn't it? If we operate these two, first we have to eliminate C, then we will get AB. Similarly, either we can take 1, 3 or 2, 3. We will get again C get cancelled here. We will get the values of again A and B. Then again we get the another two equations in forms of A and B. Again we have to solve these two equations A and B. Either we have to eliminate A or you have to eliminate B. We will get the values of A or B itself. Same thing which we have done here, that is solving these three equations. After solving, we got the values of A is equal to minus 0.0214286. B value we get 0.41571 and C value we got, that is 1.077143 itself. Now we get the values of A, B, C. That value again we have to substitute in the second degree of a curve itself. So that equation says the best fitting of the curve, means at the point of A, B, C, we get the best fitting of the curve itself. This is the example.